Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Lexus TX. It's a teaser image released from Lexus. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Okay, so this is a teaser image released to the Lexus newsroom, and it's going to be TX going to be released. It's all brand new SUV replacing the RXL, which is now defunct. It's not there anymore. They don't sell anything like that anymore. But the older one, I have the RX 350L, and it's pretty nice, but the back seats are really small. So in this TX release, it's going to be replacing the RXL. It's going to be bigger space on the third row, more comfortable. Here's a picture of the Grand Highlander, which is also bigger Highlander. So you can take a look. It's more boxy, I guess, in a way. If you take a look at the Grand Highlander, dimension wise, between the TX and the Grand Highlander probably won't differ that much. The sculpture is definitely more beautiful on the Lexus one. I'm going to show you some images of the Grand Highlander so you have an idea how it looks like, and definitely the TX is going to be equal or better. So front fascia is very much lined with chrome. You can see over here from the Grand Highlander, and it has the fog lamps, as so the back tail lamps. Very nicely done with the wording Highlander. I'm sure it's gonna have the Lexus, lettering in the back. And the front, yes, it has a little mouth, big mouth over here opening. Some people like it, some people don't, I guess. Fog lamps look really great. Looks like it's LED fog lamps. And the TX and the Grand Highlander gonna have similar length as well too. So if you want to park in a garage and you notice the length of the Grand Highlander, the Lexus TX won't be too much different, I'm pretty sure. So one of the things about the Grand Highlander is like it's a little bit more upscale. Like you can see that with more chrome touches, everything looks a little bit more in quantity, right? And even though it's still a Highlander, it's not over the top. It's not a lot of bling, not wearing a lot of bling, all right? But definitely a great SUV. So I'm going to show you the panel over here in the back, the third row. This is the major part. This one has the spoiler, of course. Then I'm going to show you a picture of the Lexus TX. And you can think about it. If you need a bigger SUV with third row that works, not just for extra storage like in my case, maybe you want to think about the Grand Highlander or the Lexus TX if you want to splurge a little, right? And definitely it's always going to stand with the Lexus quality and Lexus reliability, and it looks like it might have some chrome on the door handles here too. So nice fender bend over there, I guess. And the tail lamps and also the spoiler goes on top of the roof line. What do you think? Post a comment below. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Help me out with a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.